Kid says, eat your carrots! Veggies, veggies, hooray, hooray! Join Funtale Kids and learn each day. Red and yellow, green and blue, vegetables are good for you. Broccoli, broccoli, tiny green tree, keep it on your plate for you and me. Shake like a tree, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Broccoli is fun and makes you giggle. Funtale Kid says, broccoli power! Veggies, veggies, hooray, hooray! Join Funtale Kids and sing today. Red and yellow, green and blue, vegetables are good for you. Tomato, tomato, juicy and red, round like a ball or a bouncy head. Bounce, 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 roll around too. Tomatoes make you healthy, woohoo! Funtale Kid says, bounce with tomatoes! Veggies, veggies, hooray, hooray! With Funtale Kids every day. Red and yellow, green and blue, vegetables are good for you. Corn, corn, golden and sweet, tiny little kernels make a crunchy treat. Pop like popcorn, pop, pop, pop. Corn is yummy, never stop. Funtale Kid says, pop like corn. Potato, potato, round and brown. Mash it, fry it, bake it down. Roll like a potato, tumble to the floor. Potatoes give you energy to play some more. Funtale Kid says, roll like a potato. Veggies, veggies, shout hooray! We love